So let's pop the hood and let's go up under the hood and see how to jump it. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, let's try to jump this. Okay, the battery on these things is located up under this cover. This is the computer, and we have 3 Phillips screws that we need to take out. This is pretty. What the heck is this, man? Did somebody jump some wire or something? And that's when you know we're getting into some issues right there. Looks like it was professionally done. I don't know what the heck ever, man. This looks pretty good. These are the original. How many miles? Oh man, the battery's there. We can't tell, but these are the original wires up here. And what the heck is this? Where did it? Wait a minute. He said this thing was knocking, and that's why he said it needed an engine. Let me check these. Alternators good. Idler pulley's good. Idler pulley's good. Reach down here for the water pump. Water pump is good. You know what, guys? That would suck if it's something over here that's making that noise. You know what? Let's get us a jack this up, get it up on a jack stand, and check out the crankshaft pulley. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we got Emmett here to help us.
Get off my dog.
All right, so we got it jacked up. Got our jack stand up under there. Guys, as I told you, I've always told you, safety is #1. I know I'm on dirt. That jack stand will sink right in that ground. So I got me a nice solid piece of plywood up under there to serve as a base. And I left my hydraulic jack there as well. Now on these, you got 19mm lug nuts on this. First of all, these aren't lug nuts. These are just little caps. That they do come off. You just take them off like that. Loosen them all up enough to take the hubcap off. Then you got 5 19mm lug nuts. So let's get those off and get this tire off. We'll be right back. All right, we got our lugs off. Oh man, guys, look at this, man. We got brand new struts here with the coil spring. Brand new outer tie rods. Look at the hub bearing. I mean, this looks like it was just put on not too long ago. Holy cow, man. That sucks. All right, now we got a series of clips right here. We got a few of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna take us a flat screwdriver. Now on these clips, you're gonna notice there's 2 slots on each side. So you just take the screwdriver, stick it in one side, and just twist that. Usually now what I get at that point, what I would do is get my body panel pry bar. Matter of fact, let me go get my pry bar as well. Be right back. All right, guys, got my body panel pry bar. Just stick that right in there. Pop that off. Let's see if we can do that. If we can just get in there a little bit. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's get the rest of them off, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got one more right here. Get that off. It looks in. So what the heck is going on? It looks intact. Wait a minute. No, it's not. Why does that look? You know what? So what the heck? Looks like it's on. But why does it look kind of weird? Oh wait a minute, no it ain't. crap. It's actually pulled forward. The outside is actually pulled forward. Or is that just the way it is? I don't know. But it just... It looks... I can see inside, I can see like a shiny part, like the pulley itself moves forward because...
Well, can't you take it out and look at it? Or no?
Yeah, I think you need a special puller for that. Let's I don't know. I think we're gonna let's get that off. Let's get a socket on, get that off. We'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna be using an 18mm deep, 1/2" drive impact socket. Let's get that off. Is this thing pressed on or will it? Figures. That figures. All right. So I did bring over. I'm not sure if this will fit in there. This is my harmonic balancer performance tool. W89712. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right,
It's so bright.
I'm hoping this one. Hey, there's a piece missing. Oh no. There it is. Goes in there like that. I'm hoping this one will. Okay, feels like it. Let's see how. No, too long. Let's use the short one. And then the center bolt has a hole right in the center of it that goes over that. So we're gonna put that on. Okay. Okay, should do it now. I gotta get a wrench to hold this while I tighten that, and it should pull that pulley off. So let me go get a wrench and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're gonna take a 15/16 wrench. No, where's that? There it is. Put that on top. And we're gonna use the insert inside of it. I'm using a 1/2" drive ratchet with my reducer, 1/2" to 3/8 drive. Put it onto tightening, and let's see if we okay. Ouch, that's hurted. Hopefully it comes off before it hits the frame up here. This is bull. What you looking at, Sylvia?
Is that seal leaking?
Yeah, it looks like it is leaking. this is good. I could have sworn when I looked back there. Huh. So what the heck? Why did this belt fall off? Alright, you know what? Let's put this back on. Oh, this is good. And I'm going to start it up. Now, to get this back on, what I'm going to do here is just take me a block of wood, hit this in. Don't use the bolt to bring it in. Alright, let's get us a block of wood, and we'll be right back. Alright, let's put this block of wood back here. Get our hammer. Okay. You can go back more than that though. I know it can go back more, but what we're going to do is just put that on. I'm not going to strip that. I'm going to leave it just like that. And it might leak if I don't get back into that seal. But what we're going to do, we're going to jump this now. We're going to jump and see what we got. All right, let's get us a jumper and we'll be right back. Alright guys, let's pop this cover up. Got these little tabs right here. Gotta squeeze those tabs in. Pick this up. And we're gonna jump it from here. Oops, jump from here and the body. Shouldn't they have a post here for ground? Alright, let's see what we got here. That's an annoying thing. Looks like it's not even connecting. Alright, let's get right to the battery. The battery is located right under this cover. 3 Phillips screws. Let's take those screws out and get to the battery. Be right back. Alright, let's put this cover back on. Pop this up. And battery 5 of 2019. Quick start. Never heard of them. Alright, let's get this jumping over here. And this one. Wait a minute, why this thing still in? Come on. There it is. Alright, let's get the key. And let's see how this thing sounds. You know, go over here to the front and look at that harmonic balancer. When I start this, let me see if that thing, let me know if it wobbles or anything.
Okay. Oh, jeez. I don't know what that was, but it's something definitely hitting over here. I don't think it wobbled. It didn't quite look like it, but there was... No.
There was what? This is
definitely a loud metal sound.
Dang it, that's inside this engine. That's inside the engine. Something happened. Something let loose. Oof. Dang it. Alright. Oh, man. We'll be right back. Alright, guys. That's definitely gonna suck. So this is going to end part 1 of this series. Our next step is to drop the oil pan and see what the deuce is going on. So stay tuned for that. Alright, we'll be right back.